You ready? Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel, and I am accompanied by
Makeup.
Oh,
Alexandria Darkest.
Okay, and what channel are you guys on? What's your guys' YouTube channel?
Glamfam.
Glamfam. This is Alexandria from Glamfam. I'm sure you guys recognize her. So she is going to do my makeup today, and we decided that you're going to do a celebrity makeup. You're going to do what? Beyonce? And I'll pop a picture up of what the picture is going to be that she's going to do. So this is the makeup she's going to do. She has a little picture of it down here so that she can follow. And yeah, we're going to get started. So I'm going to wash my face off, and we will be back in just a few minutes, right?
Let's just gonna pause the video.
I'm going to pause the video. But so you have brushes and everything here.
Yeah.
So when you're doing my face,
what type of brush is this?
Those are little sponge applicators. You can use those too if you want. All right, everybody, we are back. So my face is washed, and Zan is going to get started. So what are you going to start on first?
I'm going to start on using this. It's called foundation.
And what are you going to use, a brush to put it on? All right, we're going to get started. Ooh, it's cold.
Of course it is. You haven't used it on your face.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if I just used it on the cheek.
Done makeup lately?
Well, like, whenever I was 7, yeah.
Who did you do makeup on?
You?
It was me?
Yeah.
And what we were talking about that look, how did you like the way it turned out?
It actually did not turn out good for me. It keeps on falling off.
They're hard to do. Is it on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You're gonna help me?
Oh my gosh, you got some in there.
I know, I do. Here,
Sorry.
wipe. It's okay. Wipe your fingers. Ooh, my eyelids. Why not?
I'll do the rest of your face.
Okay.
I'm not sure how I'm gonna get it there. I'm putting quite a bit on this side.
Can you
I'll take a little bit of.
You're gonna smear it over?
I'll smear it a little over.
Okay, smear it
I'll
over.
just start painting it a little bit.
Okay.
So it can like cover your
Entire face, my entire soul.
not your soul. Just your face.
So are you interested in doing makeup when you get older, or you just like doing it for fun?
Or maybe I should be a professor at it.
Oh, you could be. Could be anything you want.
But really, what if I was a kid and also I got my very own makeup shop?
Wow. So is my foundation done? Do you think it looks good? Is it all?
I'll get a little
it's
bit
all
more.
smoothed in.
Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more foundation.
A little more. Okay.
Just like 2 little drops. 2
Okay.
drops.
Oops. There you go. That should be plenty.
Sure, it should. It's kind of like I'm painting your face.
Yeah, I think you are painting my face all right.
And I'll do a little bit. I'll do it.
Yeah, cover up my dark circles, please.
Oh, your nose too.
Yeah, contour that nose, make her a little smaller.
You actually look a bit lighter.
I do. I look a little lighter.
Yeah.
I think so. Maybe this foundation's not my perfect shade, huh?
No, it looks nice on you.
Oh, it does?
It does.
Thank you.
It kind of looks like you. Oh, I have a little bit.
Okay, yeah, rub that in. I've known your dad for 18 years.
18?
Mm-hmm.
Jeez.
We were kids.
How old was Dad?
18 years ago, I don't know, maybe he was 60.
60?
So the foundation is done, so what do you want to do next? What is that? That is...
This is concealer.
Wet n Wild's concealer.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay.
Okay, this really isn't your time.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a little lighter.
No, it's a lot lighter.
Yeah.
Really, it is. Oh, that came out like... Oh, like lipstick.
Oh, don't go in the eye. Don't go in the eyeball. The eyeball doesn't need any concealing. Perfect. So now you want to go ahead and grab the sponge and you want to blend it like you just did with the foundation.
This is gonna be a little...
Oh, you know how to pounce.
Yeah, I watch Mom
do makeup for real, and they get it all in your eyeball.
Wow, that would hurt.
Yeah.
But I'm not one of those people.
No, you're not. You know what you're doing.
I'm not ever gonna get it in your eyes because I do it real slow. Mascara on.
Yeah.
Ooh, I've never put that on before.
I don't know if I'm gonna let you put the mascara, but we'll see.
It's okay if I put some on your eyelids.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Because I want to make sure I don't get anything in your eyes. Besides, it'll make the color a little bit lighter.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Which will make it prettier.
Exactly. Even Zan knows when you prime your eyes, the color is brighter. See, her eyebrows in this are sort of bushy.
So I'm not gonna hurt you.
No, I trust you.
$2,000 later.
Okay, you ready to start applying the brow product? The brows are brushed to the goals. Okay.
Wow, this one's actually longer than that one.
This is true. We got a good brow and we got a bald brow.
I'm a little scared.
Oh, it's okay. Okay.
You look prettier.
Okay.
Oh wow, that worked.
Looks like I have a scar like Jason Momoa. Do you know who Aquaman is?
Yeah.
You know how he has his eyebrows like that? That's what I look like.
I have to make the other brow look like it's long.
You gotta sort of fake the funk with the brows. Is it going on?
Yep. Can you not feel this?
I feel it.
I'll put a lot so it looks real light.
Okay.
So it look a lot like Beyonce.
Oh, yes. So tell them what you said in the car about what your dad's nickname is. What do you call your dad now? Because he's been working out and walking.
Fluffy butt.
So what do you call him Fluffy Butt for?
Because his butt cheeks are really fluffy and big.
You know?
Because he's been working out a lot outside every day, every night. Like,
And he's
standing around.
just walking.
But he speed power walks.
He power walks like an old man, old people's power walk. So you call him Fluffy Butt now? I bet he'd be excited to know that his butt's getting bigger.
Besides, he already knows that I call him Fluffy Butt.
Say when you say his new name's Fluffy Butt.
Thank you very much.
Ooh. What kind of eyebrows are you gonna give me?
Some pretty ones.
Ooh.
See how cute?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
They're very cute.
They are?
I hope there's a blue in here.
There is. There's a couple blues.
Ooh.
Okay.
You get very lightly.
Don't do it or you'll be bald-headed like your auntie is.
I'm not
Bald-headed lashes.
I'm not bald. I should do it. I hope it goes through.
I hope so too. There's a lot on there.
So we'll get into some light.
Okay.
A little bit down there. Just a little bit. Oh my gosh, did you change my hair? Or is that
We're doing new techniques here with Q-tips, huh?
actually going pretty nice?
Yeah, improvise. It's a lot of fallout when you're using the Q-tips.
This side's more just like the other.
Yeah.
Push it out a little bit. Wait, we can open this one.
Okay. It's hard to open one and not the other.
Alright. Let's do it.
Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice! Beetlejuice!
Ooh.
Oh my God!
You look different than last year.
Did I? You feel you're doing better this year than you are from last year?
Last year was a total complete damage to the eyebrows. Totally.
What did you do to the eyebrows last year? Do you remember?
And,
A hook. You made them into hooks.
it was pretty terrible. I thought it was weird.
But now you're no better now how to do eyebrows. Now that you're 8.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually pretty bad because I stare at my mom.
So we're going to go ahead and put some eyelashes on. And that one's going to go on this eye. Okay, so just fan it or blow on it for a second. You got to wait for the glue to be a little
Oh my
more
God!
tacky.
It's gonna be really hard.
You did it last time.
Last time? I don't remember.
You put lashes on.
It keeps on falling off.
They're hard to do. You're going to help me?
Oh my gosh, you got some in there.
I know, I do. Here, can I open my eye yet or no? If you need to use a Q-tip, here, you can use this too. To help, not the blue side, but the other side to help push it down in place. That's my trick that I use, Q-tips. Right.
Yeah, you can open.
Oh, it's on. It's on there. It's true. Girls rule and boys drool.
So you're saying that your husband
Drools. Yes, all boys drool.
Besides, my dad said he thinks it is butt.
I think all boys do. Ooh, we're spilling tea on this channel today.
These like a little brush.
A brush.
And if like the little brush that I used on your eyebrows, I'm gonna need up.
Just okay. Be careful.
So high, I can hear myself brushing it. Look at them higher.
Alright.
That should do it.
Okay,
That's
this
good.
eye won't open. Can you help me? Can you see it's glued? Oh, you brushed them up. They're ready to party. Look,
Nice.
they look happy.
Yeah, I mean they do.
Okay, so that comes out a lot. Be careful.
All
All right.
Just like you do.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Ooh, those are on there. Are you happy with everything the way it turned out?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last thing you need to do is just do a setting spray.
I think so.
Not so close. Back it up a little bit. I'm gonna spray my face off. Okay, look here. Now I gotta let it dry. Ooh, it's in my eye.
Sorry.
Fan it. Is he?
I think.
Okay. As soon as it's dry, I'll open my eyes. It might take a while to dry because there's a lot of it. So this is the finished look inspired by Beyonce. How do you think you did?
I think I like it pretty much.
All right. You want to?
It's really nice.
So where would I wear this look?
Out to a party or dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. A fancy dinner?
Yeah.
Okay. This could be a fancy dinner look. Comment below if you guys like this look. Also, comment below and say hi to Zan because she's visiting my channel. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. What else?
And also, make sure you hit the like button.
Yes. Thank you so much. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. So now I need to do like a little pretty montage where I'm at the end and I'm like,